चार ही शब्द हैं, इजीली याद रह जाएंगे आपको। धा, धिन, धिन, धा। एक लाइन में सब लोग बोले। 1 2 3 स्टार्ट। और एक बार। धिन धिन धा धा धिन।
The most respected Principal Pradila Pal Madam, respected HM Sir, today's guest and center of attraction, Guruji, Dehu, and coordinator of Roots to Root, Sri Chauhan ji, and my dear students, I am here to propose vote of thanks on behalf of our Vidyalaya. First of all, I'd like to extend my heartfelt thanks to our respected Principal Madam, who has given us this golden opportunity to be part of this workshop. Thank you very much, Madam. I also extend my thanks to our Sangathan, which is the unique organization in the world, which is giving us the opportunity to connect with our cultural roots. I am thankful to KVS, and also I am thankful to the organization Roots to Roots, which is bringing us these opportunities to our students.